महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Dear students, last class we had discussed about halogen derivatives, classification of halogen derivatives, monohalogen, dihalogen, trihalogen, tetrahalogen. Okay, then IUPAC nomenclature of halogen derivatives. Okay, today we are going to discuss an important section, hence be careful. Notebook. Electronegativity. Electronegativity of sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybrid orbital less than sp2 hybrid orbital less than sp hybrid orbital. Reason: it has 25% s character, it has 33.33% s character, it has 50% s character. Greater is the s character or greater is the s orbital character, greater is the electronegativity, because s orbital is present closer to the nucleus. Hence, force of attraction by the nucleus is greater on sp hybrid orbital. When force of attraction of the nucleus is greater, it has greater tendency to attract electron, and it explains greater electronegativity. Okay, another notebook. Remember, sp3 carbon is called donating carbon. sp3 carbon is called donating carbon, called plus I effect. Plus I means positive inductive effect. Okay, example: CH3 bond, CH3 CH2 bond, etc. Okay, sp2 carbon and sp carbon are called electron accepting carbon. As they are more electronegative. Okay, and they are the examples of minus I effect. Example: CH2 double bond CH bond, C6H5 bond from benzene, it is phenyl. Okay, CH triple bond C bond, CH triple bond C bond. Okay, another notebook. Bond X, 3 lone pair or non-bonding pair. When donates electron to sp2 carbon, it is called resonance effect. Resonance effect. Resonance effect. Example: CH2 double bond CH bond Cl. Cl. Okay. sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon is an example of minus I effect, as it is more electronegative. It can attract electron. It can attract electron pair from chlorine, called resonance effect. You should remember that resonance or delocalization of lone pair or delocalization of pi electron cloud or sharing of lone pair or pi electron cloud is explained in resonance effect. Is explained in resonance effect. Okay. Resonance effect is explained in double single double system, double single lone pair system, double single sp2 center system, and lone pair single sp2 center system. Lone pair single sp2. Lone pair single sp2. Okay. Another notebook. Minus I effect group. Minus I effect group is called a leaving effect group. Leaving effect group for greater polarity or charge separation or dipole moment. Dipole moment. Okay. For example, CHHCl. Okay. Chlorine is an example of minus I effect. Here chlorine is not in resonance condition. Not in resonance condition. That is double single bond double single bond lone pair single bond sp2 carbon, or double single sp2 carbon or sp2 center like condition. Okay. This carbon has sp3 hybridization due to 4 sigma bonds, and sp3 hybridized carbon has donating effect called plus I effect. Hence chlorine has minus I effect. Minus I effect. And inductive effect explains the displacement of sigma electron cloud towards more electronegative atom. Okay. Now it is H, H, H plus and Cl minus. Here chlorine is said to have leaving effect. That is, chlorine is moving away from the center by accepting the sigma electron cloud. Okay. In case of resonance condition, resonance is lone pair, single, sp2 center or sp2 carbon. Remember, here halogen can donate electron to sp2 carbon, and X explains non-leaving effect. That is, halogen is not easily available to live. Okay. Example. Lone pair is delocalized. Delocalized means lone pair is not present at a particular locality. It gets shared to become a pi electron cloud. This is the condition for resonance. Resonance means it is a permanent effect or irreversible effect, and it is the sign for irreversible. This lone pair becomes a pi electron cloud. This pi electron cloud repels this pi electron cloud. So that bond polarization takes place. Cl plus, it is minus. By accepting this electron pair, it becomes negative. By donating this electron pair, it becomes positive. Neutral becomes positive and negative. And this condition is called resonance condition. That is, lone pair is attracted by sp2 carbon. And you should remember that chlorine is one of the most electronegative element in the periodic table. When chlorine has negative charge, by accepting an electron pair, this is due to inductive effect. When chlorine has positive charge, this is due to resonance effect, because that lone pair of chlorine is accepted by sp2 carbon to explain resonance. Okay. Now I am going to discuss some important questions for better understanding. Question number 1. Among cyclohexane and chlorobenzene, which has greater polarity or dipole moment. Explain. Answer. Chlorocyclohexane, due to minus I effect of halogen, that is leaving effect, that is leaving effect. It is chlorocyclohexane. Chlorine is attached to sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon. How is it sp3? 1, 2, 3 sigma bond and another hydrogen atom is there. For 4 sigma bonds, hybridization is sp3. It is attached to sp3 carbon, and sp3 carbon explains plus I effect. Plus I effect means electron donating effect. This carbon donates electron to chlorine, and chlorine accepts this sigma electron cloud, and it explains minus I effect. Minus I effect. Hence the symbol is like this. That is, carbon has positive charge when this sigma electron cloud is attracted by minus I effect, that is chlorine. Okay. Plus Cl minus. Cl minus. Okay. Due to resonance condition, that is lone pair of X, single bond sp2 carbon in chlorobenzene, comma, bond Cl explains resonance donating effect, that is lone pair is donated by chlorine and accepted by sp2 carbon, and sp2 carbon is more electronegative to attract that lone pair, okay. It is an example of non-leaving effect to explain less polarity or dipole moment. Okay, simple. sp3 carbon plus I, sp2 carbon minus I. sp3 carbon donates electron pair to chlorine, so that chlorine has negative charge and carbon has positive charge, and chlorine is the more electronegative species. When it has negative charge, we can say that dipole moment is greater, but when chlorine has positive charge, dipole moment is less, because according to the periodic table principle, more electronegative species is stabilized with negative charge. With negative charge. When chlorine explains negative charge, it is an example of leaving effect or greater dipole moment effect. When chlorine has positive charge, it is the explanation of non-leaving effect, and it explains less dipole moment. Okay. Question 2. Among ethyl chloride and vinyl chloride, which can result easier precipitation of AgCl with AgNO3. Okay. Answer: AgCl means Ag plus and Cl minus. For AgCl precipitation, we must need Cl minus. Okay. CH3 CH2 Cl. Here chlorine is attached to sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon is an example of donating carbon. Okay. So that CH3 CH2 has positive charge and chlorine has negative charge, so that AgCl can easily be precipitated. But in case of vinyl chloride, lone pair, single, sp2, it is a resonance condition. CH2 minus, single bond, CH double bond, Cl plus, and chlorine has positive charge. That is, we cannot form AgCl. That is, AgCl is not precipitated by vinyl chloride, but precipitated by ethyl chloride. Okay. Ethyl chloride has leaving effect or minus I effect chlorine for AgCl precipitation. Okay. Question 3. Among ethyl bromide and bromobenzene, which is easily found for SN reaction. Explain. SN means nucleophilic substitution reaction. A nucleophile is substituted by another nucleophile. Okay. Answer: CH3 CH2Br attached to sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon donates electron to more electronegative species. To explain minus I effect for halogen, so that it becomes CH3 CH2 plus Br minus, that is Br minus nucleophile or negative charge is easily available for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Br minus, that is nucleophile, is easily found for Sn due to minus I effect or leaving effect. Leaving effect. Okay. Bromobenzene. Bromobenzene double bond Br plus, it has negative charge. Br minus is not easily found for Sn reaction, as resonance increases the bond order of C bond X, that is C bond Br, for greater bond strength. Br minus is not easily found for Sn reaction, as resonance increases the bond order of C bond X, that is C bond Br, for greater strength. Here bond order is 1, but due to resonance bond order is 2. Bond order means number of bonds present in between two atoms. Here bond order is 1, here bond order is 2. Bond order 2 explains greater bond strength, and this bond is not easily broken like this. It has single bond, it has double bond. Double bond strength is greater, single bond strength is less. Hence this bond can easily be broken for Br minus formation, but this bond is not easily broken for Br minus formation. And due to resonance effect, bromine has also positive charge, that is Br minus is not easily available. Okay. Notebook. Interesting point. Rx R plus X minus, inductive effect. Alkyl group has donating effect, halogen has accepting effect. It is vinyl halide, lone pair, single bond, double bond, or lone pair single bond sp2 carbon. Resonance condition CH2 minus single bond CH double bond X plus resonance effect, or mesomeric effect. resonance or mesomeric effect. Another CH2 double bond, it is vinyl halide. It is vinyl halide. CH2 double bond CH bonds CH2X. Interesting point. Okay, it is allyl halide. Allyl halide. Halogen is attached to sp3 carbon. Hence, it becomes inductive effect. Inductive effect or leaving effect or leaving effect. It is chlorovenzene. Resonance condition. Resonance condition. Resonance condition means non-leaving effect. Non-leaving effect. CH2Cl attached to sp3 carbon means sp3 carbon is more electropositive. It can donate electron to become positive charge species. Cl minus. It is an example of leaving effect or inductive effect. And remember, inductive effect is easily available for nucleophilic substitution reaction, but resonance effect is not easily available for nucleophilic substitution reaction. When chlorine is attached to sp3 carbon, it is easily available for nucleophilic substitution reaction, but when halogen is attached to sp2 carbon, it explains resonance condition, and in resonance condition lone pair is shared or delocalized, so that C bond Cl or C bond X order increases, and chlorine is not easily available as negative form for SN reaction. Okay students, hope you are enjoying this video session. Actually this video session is a difficult session. Try your best to understand for better understanding of other subject matters related to haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes RX, haloalkane RX available for SN reaction because X has negative charge. Haloarene, arene means aromatic. Aromatic, X is attached to aromatic compound or resonance compound. Here X is not easily available for negative charge formation. Hence X is not easily available for SN reaction in case of haloarene, but in case of haloalkane X is easily available for SN reaction. Okay, be safe, do hard work for your success. Thank you.